Welcome back to the DUI channel. We're in Bowling Green, Ohio, where on November 11th, 2022, at 2:20 a.m., Bowling Green police observed a blue 2018 Toyota Camry operating without headlights on at night near the intersection of Thurstin St and East Court Street. The patrol officer activated his headlights and pulled over the vehicle. He then approached the driver as his investigation begins.
Hey, of course, we're at Thurstin, Wooster. How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Reason I'm stopping you because you didn't have your headlights on when you were driving down
Yeah,
Thurston.
I just turned them on.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license,
Yeah,
registration,
I'm so
proof of
sorry.
insurance?
I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Okay.
This is my friend's car.
Who's your friend? Okay. Passengers, do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah, she does. Me? Here's my driver's license. I'm sorry. I just turned them on.
Okay. Where's the vehicle owner now? Yeah, where's that person?
She went home with She's with my friend. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I can smell some alcohol coming from the car. Okay, so I don't know.
I just picked her up from the bar, yeah.
That's a very good possibility, but because I can smell it, I'm going to have you step out of the car just to make sure that it's not
fine.
her.
I just picked her up.
That's fine. If you want to stand on the sidewalk over there, I'm going to turn the lights off here real quick.
I just picked them up.
Okay.
What's her name?
31 headquarters. I have a DL break. Union William 274525 UW 2745 25. Just hold that for me. All right, let's go up on the sidewalk here.
Yeah, no, you're fine.
So we're out of the walkway. Do you wear contacts or anything?
No. I have glasses, but like.
Okay. You don't wear them though?
I mean, when I go to school, yeah. When I read and stuff.
Okay. Any medical issues here recently? Okay. Have you had any crashes or anything like that where you've been in the hospital? Any head trauma of any sort recently? Nothing like that? No hospital visits whatsoever?
No. Not for anything important.
Okay. All right. You turn your fronts off?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. You see the tip of my pen?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What I want you to do is look at the tip of the pen. Don't move your head, okay? Just follow it with your eyes only. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Keep your head still, okay? All right, you can still see it?
Mm-hmm. I see it.
Okay.
I promise you I'm okay.
Okay. Just follow it. I'm just going to go up and then come back down. Just follow it with your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One more. I'm going to do a circle, and I'm going to come towards your nose. I'm not going to touch your nose, though. Just follow it the whole time, okay?
Understand.
Just a minute here.
I promise you. I'm okay.
Yep, okay. And you just stay right here for me,
I
okay?
promise you. I was just picking up.
Okay. Just give me a minute here.
I got too drunk. I was just picking him up. You see what I'm like? I didn't even go out tonight. Been at home. I'm just trying to do the right thing for a friend.
Do a couple more tests here.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I'm going to read you some instructions here, okay? And then I'll have you follow the instructions. And
Right.
don't start until I tell you
Right.
to start the test, okay? I'm going to read everything to you. Then I'll have you start the test, okay?
Well,
Let's put your left foot on the line. Just like that. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, standing heel to toe. Okay, and hold that position. Okay? With your heel in front of your right foot, touching the heel of the other foot, place your arms down at your side and keep this position until I tell you to begin. Don't start until I tell you to start the test, okay? You understand?
I understand.
Okay, when I tell you to begin, take 9 heel to toe steps down the line, turn and take 9 heel to toe steps back down the line. When you turn, keep the front foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps with your other foot. While you're walking, keep your hands at your sides at all times, watch your feet at all times, and count your steps out loud. Once you begin the test, do not stop until you've completed the test. Do you understand the instructions? Okay, I'm going to demonstrate it really fast for you, okay? So go ahead and stay there for me. Stay in that position, okay? So like I said, you're going to be standing like this. You're going to go down 1, 2, 3 to 9. Obviously, I can't go down any further, so we're going to stop there. Turn yourself around with several small steps, okay? And then back down. 1, 2, 3, back down to 9. Okay? Whenever you're ready, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, any leg problems, hip problems, back problems, anything like that?
Not at all.
Okay. All right, stand feet together, hands down to your sides, just like this. You can stand right up here in the middle here. You don't have to stand on that line. You can stand right there. That's fine. Okay, just stand with your feet together, hands down to your sides, okay? Keep this position until I tell you to begin. Do not start until I have explained the test and told you to start, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise one leg, either leg, approximately 6 inches off the ground, with your feet parallel to the ground, your foot parallel to the ground. Keep both legs straight. Keep your arms down at your side and watch your raised foot. While holding that position, count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. Okay?
Yep.
Keep your arms at your sides at all times. Watch your raised foot while you're counting and count out loud. Do you understand?
Understand.
Okay.
What do you
So
want me to count to?
just until I tell you to stop.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, so you can raise whichever leg you want, doesn't matter.
Should I go
Okay,
like this, or
nope,
should I go
it's going to
forward?
be out forward. Okay, but you want to put your foot so you're pointed like this: 1001, 1002,
Right.
until I tell you to begin, or until I tell you to stop. All right, you ready? Okay, go ahead and start.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029, 30.
Okay, you can stop. Okay, last thing I want to do. You know your ABCs, right?
Yep.
Okay. All I want you to do.
Saying backwards?
Nope.
I can't
Nope.
do that.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope. I just want you to say your ABCs without singing them.
Okay.
Say them straight to me from A to Z without stopping. Go ahead.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. At this point in time, I do believe that you've had more alcohol than you should have. Okay? I am going to place you under arrest. We're going to go on station. Okay? I'm going to give you the opportunity to take a breath test. If I'm wrong and you test under the legal limit, I'll give you a ride home.
Please not do that, please.
Unfortunately,
I'm begging you. I would do anything. Please,
I
officer,
understand.
please.
I understand, but I have a job to do as well. Okay?
Please, I'm begging you.
Listen, I'll give you an
can
option.
Follow me, please.
Can't do that.
Please.
I'll
I'm
give you an
begging
option.
You. I am begging
Listen,
you.
we can't at this point. Okay? I'm trying to be nice with you.
Please, I'm a nursing major. Please.
I understand.
No,
but,
can you please?
Okay, so you're going to have the opportunity to take a breath test.
I'm not taking the breathalyzer. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, at this point, then, all I need you to do is turn around, put your hands behind your back for me. Okay? Put them together like you're praying. It's going to be more comfortable. Here. Here, hold on. Put your hands together like this. There you go. I understand, but can you put them together like you're praying? Nope, like this. There you go. I understand, but that's just going to be the most comfortable that I can do for you here, okay? Is any of the people in the vehicle right now, are they sober?
Please,
Okay.
not do this.
Hold on.
Please.
He doesn't
No,
have a choice.
unfortunately, at this point,
He doesn't have a choice.
At this point, this is where we're at, okay? Do you want to pat her down real quick?
Yep, sure.
I have nothing on me.
Over here.
We're going to go over here to the car, okay?
It's still
Back passenger seat.
So go ahead and face the car for me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I have nothing on me.
We just have to check.
I understand.
In the search of the suspect, the patrol officer located a fake Michigan driver's license with a birth date 2 years earlier than the suspect's real date of birth.
I'm never going to become a doctor.
Okay. Have a seat in the car. I'm going to go talk to the other passengers in the vehicle right now, okay?
Watch your head.
Go see if anybody in the car here is sober.
You okay if I reach in and put this window down?
That's fine.
Is anybody not been drinking in the vehicle right now?
I've been drinking.
Okay, have you been drinking?
I've been drinking also.
Okay.
Can you pull it into a pit?
They'll ticket it there. God, I don't know where to put it. No one in the car is a registered owner, apparently.
Yeah.
The registered owner left the bar a while ago or something.
So we can't get permission from her to park it, can we? Because she's not the owner? I'm not sure how that works.
Well, I mean, we can park the vehicle so it doesn't have to be towed. The best place is going to be to put it in there for right now, and then yeah, we'll have to do it because obviously you guys can't. Can you call the girl that owns the vehicle?
Yes, I can.
If you can call her, that way we can get permission to move the vehicle.
Can I step out?
Yeah, you guys can get out of the car. You don't have to sit in there.
How long is she can help for?
We're going to go up on station. She'll have the opportunity to take a breath test, and then from that point forward, I mean, as long as she doesn't cause any problems or start fighting or do anything stupid.
She won't, I promise you.
Is there somebody sober that's a friend that can come up right now that you guys can get to come up and pick her up?
I can find somebody.
I have to find a sober friend to release her to.
Okay, I will call somebody.
Okay, that's your driver's license
that's mine.
back.
Thank you. You're keeping hers?
Yep, I got to keep hers right now.
All right.
As long as we get permission from the person that has the rights to the vehicle.
So you guys are going to hold her or anything?
No, I'm not going to take her to jail as long as she stays cooperative.
Okay, can I talk to her real quick?
Unfortunately, we don't let people talk to them real quick.
So basically, you're calling registered owner?
I'll have to actually talk to her.
Okay, yes. Can you talk to them actually?
Thank
That's
you.
Alex. That's
Okay.
the owner.
Hi, ma'am. This is Officer Bowling, please. Your friend was driving the car. She has been arrested at this point for OVI. I don't want to tow the vehicle that way because that would cost you money. Is it okay? Do I have permission to park the vehicle in the lot here at Founders Hall? Okay. Yeah. You can come and get it whenever, but it's got to be a sober driver to come get the vehicle. One of which of the girls do you want to have the keys?
I can have the keys.
Are you?
Yep.
Okay.
I can have the keys.
Okay, we'll give the keys and then she can get them back to you.
Yes, and she'll probably come back to my place.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, officer.
Yep. No problem.
Sober to come pick her up, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna take this.
Is that her phone?
Yeah,
okay.
her phone.
Does she have a purse or anything in the car
I
that
have
she'll
her
want?
purse right now.
Will she want that?
She shouldn't have anything.
Just the phone.
If you can ask her if she wants
Okay.
her purse.
Let me ask her real quick. I'll take that then. Quick question for you.
Yes, sir.
The purse, do you want her to keep your purse
Yes.
or do you want it to come with you?
I want her to keep it.
Okay, so the debit cards that
Can
were
I
in...
please just go home?
No, it doesn't work that way, unfortunately. Do you want your debit cards in your purse to go with her?
Phone. That's it, to call my dad. That's it.
Okay. Do you want these debit cards to go back in your purse?
She can keep it.
No, I know. That's what I'm asking. Do you want these to go back in your
Yes.
purse? Okay. All right. I'm going to shut the door here.
Can I have my phone?
Yeah, when we get back up on the station, I'll give it to you.
Following the arrest, the suspect, Destiny, was transported to the Bowling Green police station for further OVI processing. She refused to submit a breath alcohol sample after being read and explained the Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles Form 2255.
So the BMV actually suspends your driver's license for 1 year. If you take the test and test over the legal limit, it's an automatic 1 year suspension because you do have a prior.
Yep.
Okay? You understand all that?
I understand. I'm going to refuse the test.
Okay.
Due to having a prior OVI conviction, the arresting patrol officer advised her that he would try to obtain a blood search warrant from the on-call judge. In lieu of a blood draw, the suspect voluntarily provided a urine sample, which yielded a result of 0.23% ethanol weight per volume. In court, the defendant was charged with lighted lights required, display fictitious ID, operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or OVI, with a prior and refusal in 20 years, and reckless operation on highway. On May 19, 2023, 6 months and 8 days after the arrest, Destiny pled guilty to a reduced charge of reckless operation in exchange for the former 3 charges being dismissed. She was ordered to pay $480. This amount has been paid in full. She was sentenced to 30 days in jail with 24 days suspended, community control for 5 years, and ordered to attend a driver intervention program for 6 days jail credit.